overtime spent sitting at a desk, back pain and chronic fatigue as a result. Introducing the Soas Iliopsoas Massager. The Soas is a massage device specifically designed for your iliopsoas. From your neck to your back, hips, and more. The unique design of the Soas allows for targeted, delicate massage. With built-in heat and vibration, it effectively cares for tight iliopsoas muscles. Experience a quick 5-minute routine with Soas to wipe away the fatigue of your day. Just lie back and let it rock. You're all set. The rounded base adjusts the intensity, maximizing the massage benefits. With its ergonomic design optimized for the iliopsoas, the plush silicone covering elevates your massage experience. Soas is specialized in relaxing the iliopsoas, correcting posture, and creating the perfect fit. Enjoy full body care with the Soas Iliopsoas Massager. Soas. Just relax.